Hey y'all, hey, this is Eve Belize. I'm back with my new toy, my Dyson Supersonic Professional. Woo! I'm getting ready to unbox my new professional dryer. I'm so excited. I just got it at the hair show in Orlando and I got a great deal on it. I'm going to blow my hair out, but it's just gonna give it a little stretch. So let me open up this dryer. One of the benefits is this very long cord. So we're gonna turn this bad boy on and let's see what we're working with. I am prepping my hair for some flat twists. I really don't want my hair too straight. I went in with my K18 as my leave-in. So this is all I have in my hair. I'm going in on medium heat, so let's go. I'm loving it so far. You see how quick that was? And I don't even have to use the comb attachment and I'm stretching my hair. So this is where I landed without the comb. The dryer is amazing, y'all. I bought the regular dryer like 2 years ago. I have a video of that, and I have the professional dryer and they cannot be compared. It's so different. I'm looking forward to exploring my new dryer. This right here, I'm excited. Thank you so much for watching me unboxing. I just wanted to go in indirectly and give my hair a little bit of a stretch so I can move to the style that I'm trying to achieve. I will see you in the next video.